All right, welcome once again to this weekend market reviews. Last week was quite a volatile week because it was a week that price was largely moved by fundamental events. All right, in this upcoming trading week, we also have plenty of high impact news announcement as we are going to be seeing in the Forex Factory economical calendar. Well, before we do our reviews, let's look into last week to see those trades that we took. In fact, last week we held 3 trades, okay? 3 trades in the VIP channel. Our first trade that we held for last week was the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. This pair we went short, all right, as you can see on my screen. We went short on this pair right here. That was our stop loss. We got a lot of hesitation, all right, as you're going to be seeing maybe in the chart, a lot of hesitation, but eventually price moved in our direction, giving us some good profits. All right, for this one we already closed, all right, not for this week, not for last week. Now, we were also holding trades in the sterling pounds against Australian dollar. We went short exactly at that point of confluence, but unfortunately, price took us to profit, came back again, then it went straight to take us at full stop loss of 4% loss. All right, so this trade was a loss to us. And then finally, we took finally we took the euro against the Japanese yen. All right, this was a trade we took. We went short right here with a stop loss there, and this trade actually performed so nicely. All right, it went all the way down. We took very nice profit out of this trade. Now you can see, if you scroll down, you will see how we kept taking profit out of those trades. You can see the euro against the Japanese yen. We took our first 50% at 72 pips. All right, 72 pips. Then the second 50%, all right, remaining 50%, we took that at 370 pips. All right, this was a large move, all right, in our direction, and we were smart enough to take out profit at 370 pips. Okay, then we went into the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. We also took 50% at 131 pips. We moved our stop loss to break even. Then price went further again for us, where we took out the remaining 50% at 207 pips. All right, nice trade. Unfortunately, our trade in the sterling pounds against the Australian dollar got stopped out. All right, so we got 1 loss for last week, and we got 2 wins. Anyway, it was still a profitable trading week. Right now we are holding no trade. Okay, so now let's look into the Forex Factory economical calendar to see those high impact news announcements that are scheduled for this upcoming trading week. We have quite a lot, all right, of high impact news announcement. Remember, next week is this upcoming trading week is going to be the first Friday of the month, so we are going to be having the NFP, which will affect the American dollar, and also the employment data from the Canadian dollar axis on Friday. Okay, so it's again going to be a fundamental week where price is largely going to be moved by news announcements. All right, now into the charts, let's just take you through some pairs that we are following. All right, the first one is the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. Well, we took our profit right at this level, where we're just around here, all right, because of this level of support. And you can see, because of that, price went back all the way up. Okay, but then we are still having a bearish bias. All right, we're still having a bearish bias. As you can see, price is it broke out of that congestion, all right, that triangle formation. You can see that the breakout, and now it seems price has gone back again to test that level, which was once acting as support and may now act as what? Resistance. Okay, so for us, we are still optimistic. We are following our strategy. We are going to be looking for possible opportunities around this area to go short for price to return back again for the second time around that level of support. So for the New Zealand dollar against Japanese yen, we are still bearish, all right, except if we don't find the entry around this area, if we don't find the entry, well, we are not going to take the trade. But if we find the entry, we are going to take the trade, and of course you will be the first to know as our members. Okay, thanks for that. Now let's move on to the next pair.